Hey guys, it is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Woo! Been saying that a lot lately, getting tongue twisted. So, guys, I am back today with another video. I have been working my behind off to kind of get to know the platform Zazzle and understand it a little bit more. And I've started to unlock some keys. So as I begin to learn more, of course, I'll be sharing with you guys. I am recording this video in November, but it'll probably be released in December. Okay, that's just how far in advance I am with my channel because I would love to relax after Thanksgiving and not have to worry about uploading videos. But this is great information because I'm recording as I'm learning. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create face shields on Zazzle, which is super exciting. I am going to use Canva. So I'm going to show you guys how to create two different face shields, and I'm going to show you guys how to upload it. So if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I release a new video. And we're going to go ahead and go over to Canva. For Zazzle, I have been using 5,000 by 5,000 for most of my frames, and that seems to work really well. So I think I am going to stick with that as my canvas size for most of the products that I use in Zazzle. Okay, so in Canva, what you're going to do is go down to your elements. The first one we're going to do is a ombre. We're going to do an ombre face shield. And you're probably like, what? But once you see it, you'll understand. So you're going to go scroll down until you see like this purple ombre that looks like it's face transparent, which is right here. You can click it to see if there's more like this one, but this is the one we're going to use. It says more recommendations, but this is the one that we want. So I am going to turn it this way, because also if you don't know what a face shield is, I might need to show you that as well so you can kind of understand. Let me make sure this is 90 degrees. There we go. So I'm just going to spread that out here. And most likely I'll probably end up ordering a face shield as well. So it's out. You can change the color. So let's change it to, I don't think I have one of my favorite purples in here, but let's see. It's like a lavender. Okay. So I'm going to do lavender face shield, and I'm going to download that as a PNG with a transparent background. Let me make sure, because I don't think, what did it say when I was trying to download it? Because I forgot this account is different. There might be an element hidden in the background of your design. Is there? Let's see. I don't think so. Why would there be a hidden element? Okay, I don't know what that was about. But that's the first one. So you can go ahead and delete that. And then if you want to do something fun, like make a crowned one, you'll probably see something like this. Or you can do something with a border. Let's see, we're gonna stick with the crown. With the crown on it. Let's find a crown that we like. So maybe something like this. And you would have to break it out. I don't know how that one would look. Maybe not a crown. Santa Claus. Looking for a Santa Claus beard. Or, this would be fun. You already have to put on a mask. So let's do a face shield that has a mask over the mouth area as the picture. Don't want to pull it out too far, so I'm going to leave it right there. And then we are going to download that as a PNG. And we're going to download it. I didn't change the name, so my bad. So I'm going to go over to Zazzle and I'm going to type in face shields. I spelled it wrong. Sorry, y'all. Face shields. So you guys can get a kind of idea. So it says currently unavailable, but let's go to home. Go to face mask. And because I was able to find it someplace. I was able to search it the other day. Well, yesterday actually. And because they're like, there's none available, it was hard to find them. But let's just go into create. Alright. So I don't have, is this my Coins and Connection store? It is. Okay, so I'm going to go into my store. And that's just by here. It says your stores. I hit the Coins and Connections, and I'm going to go over to products. And then in my products, I'm going to hit create new product. And then I am going to go into, I think it's in the home and sports. There it goes. So here's the face shields. So here it says this product is completely sold out, but we're going to just go ahead and use it. So we're going to hit add image, and we're going to upload the two designs that we created. So when you first upload it, they both kind of go on here. So here is the mask. We can make this smaller, and it kind of shows where it'll be. This is just like a kind of where the eye might be. So you can make this smaller if you want to. Bring it down right here. So then I'm going to preview it. So this is what this will look like. So I think I still want to bring it up some so it's like it covers the nose, and make it a tad bit bigger. Make sure it's even. Now I'm going to open it. So this is what this face mask will look like. And we can look at it on different people. So it's the shield, but it'll have like a face mask on it. It looks like it has a face mask on. Okay. So that's that one. I'm going to delete that so I can show you guys what the gradient looks like. So with the gradient, I do stretch it out all the way from top to bottom. And you can pull it down if you want more of the purple at the top. And then it just has that nice little tint of purple at the top. So you see the purple there, and then you really see it here. The gradient of it is darker at the top and then goes down. Again, on this one, how you can see the hint of the purple here, and it goes down to like fade into white and clear. So that is the gradient face mask. So if I was to add this to my Coins and Connection store, I would then hit done. Another thing you can do, let's go back into edit design. If you wanted to make where they can add text, maybe I want to add my name to my mask. So I'll find a font that I like. Maybe I want my name on my mask, but it's in the front there. And this will be something I go into a little bit more in depth later. But when you click on the name and you scroll down here and you hit more options, and then you put make object as a template, this is what helps you make sure that people can personalize this. So when they go to change their name, they're able to on Zazzle. So I'm going to hit done, and then I would hit sell it. Okay. So, and you saw that button that says personalized. So here I'll put something like lavender, ombre, they're going to add face shield at the bottom. So I'll put lavender ombre, facial covering. Okay, home and health, lavender ombre facial. And then you could put it on all the options that they have, or you can change the options here. But, and this would be, you know, the adult face shield, kids, partial transparent. But of course it's not right now. It's not available, but still. For occasions, when stuff like this, I normally do other and do like everyday events or current events, and then I don't choose anything. This can be for anyone because some men might like purple too, and I would do like ombre face shield, ombre gift, lavender ombre face mask, stuff like that. And then it is rated G. It'll ask you again to, did you want to make this product a template, which is the name, show it as a customized button, yes. And then some places, like you said, it has the maximum royalty on this product only, but some, not everyone has it. So, and then I would push it to my store. And this probably has to go through review. So it says view your product under review, and then it says create more face shields. So then you can keep creating. So that was just like a quick tutorial on how to create an ombre face shield on Zazzle, how to use it as a template, and kind of how to upload it. So that's just like one of the many things that I have been learning to do. But when you're able to look up more of the face shields that are available, you will basically get to see more pictures. So like people have all types, and I don't know why it's not like, see, people have like these animal ones for the kids, which is funny. So you can kind of get very creative with it, because of course kids don't want to wear these. So in order to make them feel excited about it, being able to put stuff like this on there will make a kid's day, right? So you can get really creative with face masks and make lots of money on Zazzle. But again, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you can learn more about this platform. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out all of my courses on gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.